the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians, past presidents, National Board of Trustees, and Regional Council, members of the Regulatory and Specialty Board, presidents of the specialty, subspecialty, and affiliate societies, and our academic partners, representative from the Department of Health, Dr. William Chu, chairs and training officers of the different institutions, fellow conferees, and distinguished guests. Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you, representing the gifted family physicians of our generation. Yet this honor also carries a deeper realization. Through the years of sacrifice and dedication that brought us to this moment, I have come to understand an undeniable truth. No one becomes gifted alone. We often define giftedness as something exceptional, an ability, a proficiency, or an intelligence that solely belongs to an individual. But in doing so, we sometimes overlook the other side of the coin, that to be gifted is also to have received. We are gifted because other people shared a precious part of themselves with us, their time, their wisdom, their patience, and their trust, so that we may grow into who we are today. We are gifted because of the mercy and love of our Creator. We are gifted because of our families and loved ones who gave us unwavering support even when the path was uncertain. Because of our mentors and those who came before us, who patiently guided us and compassionately taught us to see our patients through the holistic lens of a family physician. Because of our friends and our colleagues who shared in our joys and carried us through our struggles. Because of our juniors, mentees, and students who grew alongside us and inspired us to become better. Because of our patients and their families who uplifted us even as we walk with them through their most difficult times. And because of the communities that we serve, communities that not only shaped us, but continually provided opportunities for us to grow and improve. As we celebrate this achievement, we must also recognize these gifts that we have received. We do not forget the trials that we faced. Rather, we acknowledge the privileges that come hand in hand with hardship of learning our craft. But more importantly, may we always cherish these people. These people who help us become physicians truly gifted to serve. So to all of you, isang taus-pusong pasasalamat po. For in receiving your gifts, we have learned what it truly means to be gifted. That to be gifted is not simply to excel, but to be entrusted. Entrusted with knowledge that must be shared generously, entrusted with skills that must be used wisely, entrusted with hearts that must remain open, especially when the work becomes difficult. And perhaps most importantly, entrusted with the duty to give, not only in moments of success, but in each and every second of service to our patients. I sincerely hope that my fellow family physicians will join me in fulfilling this calling, to live it out in the quiet, everyday moments of care, and even in the midst of the tumultuous times that our world is facing today. May we continue to teach us as we were taught, with patience and generosity, to serve as we were served, with compassion and humility, and to care as we were cared for, with hearts that see beyond illness and recognize the dignity of every person. And in a country where many still struggle to access timely and quality health care, our duty to give as family physicians become even more vital. We stand not only as healers, but also as advocates, bridging gaps, amplifying voices, and working toward a healthcare system that is truly responsive, inclusive, and just. Because the true measure of our giftedness is not in what we keep, but in what we choose to give. At sa patuloy nating pagbibigay, naway mas marami pa tayong buhay na mabago, mas maraming pamilyang ang maalagaan, at mas maraming komunidad ang mapaglingkuran. Sapagkat tayo ay mga manggagamot na may pusong tunay na nagmamalasakit, taglay ang kahusayan, integridad, at matatag na paninindigan sa pagsusulong ng isang makatarungan at mas malusog na Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.